Good morning. I'm going to be your partner today. So let's start our interactive poem.
Good morning.
An interactive
Good morning,
poem
Muse.
is like a linked poem in that it is made by the two of us, connecting the first part of the poem
Interactive
with the
poem.
last part of the poem.
It seems very
First,
interesting.
I will read a poem out loud, and after that, please read the first verse of the poem
Okay,
you have.
I will follow you.
Based on my feelings, I shall answer you with the last verse of the poem.
Okay, let's start.
Who are you? Not I, but you. Not him, but you.
Someone other than I,
With the same ears as mine.
who hears.
Different sounds from mine.
Someone who has 10 fingers,
Just like mine.
who tries to grasp.
What I cannot. You!
You're standing,
At the distant horizon.
facing the sea.
The interactive poem system is comprised of 4 units, including system control, voice recognition, image generation, and voice output. The system control unit controls the operation of the whole system. In this system, the most important feature is the construction of interactive poems. It is believed that poems of the past are continuous poetic phrases. In other words, the basic constructions of these poems can be expressed through a simple transition network. The basic forms of interactive poems are also expressed through a transition network. The difference from the conventional poem is that phrases uttered by the computer and phrases uttered by the user are expressed alternately. With our interactive poem system, we prepare many phrases that can be linked to phrases uttered by the computer to achieve a higher degree of conversation. These phrases are considered and are made with utmost care to have phonemic and meaningful relations with the computer phrases. This transition network is put in the database and used to control all processes. The voice recognition unit has 2 functions, one for meaning recognition and the other for emotions recognition. To recognize the meanings of phrases uttered by a user, the unit uses speaker-independent speech recognition technologies. In addition, to recognize the emotions information of the user, the unit performs emotions recognition. As the basic architecture for the emotions recognition, the unit uses a technology called neural network. Reaction of the computer agent to utterances of a participant is expressed through her speech and by images. We made a 2-dimensional emotion model. X-axis shows how good or bad the feeling is. Y-axis shows how strong or weak the feeling is. For example, when it's positive, it's a good feeling. Strong and good feelings make joy. Bad and weak feelings make sad. The computer character generation unit controls the display of images. MUSE's expressions show her reactions to the emotions of the user through 3D morphing animations. In addition, to express the atmosphere of the world of a poem, the unit contains a number of background scenes.
In your mind,
Hello? What? What?
in your
Runs a
mind,
lane
I've never
runs a
walked
lane.
on.
of a town I've never seen,
Snow is now,
quietly falling on that lane,
and someone I've never met,
is running towards me.
but he yelled at you.
I shall never know. Never!